Welcome back students. In this video we are going to understand about the animation part. Transition effect can be given to a slide, however an animation effect can be given to the slide objects. So what are the slide objects? Like this is the text box, this is an image, this is again a text box. So these are the objects. So even you can see if I have not selected any object, all the animation effects are inactive. The moment I will made a selection of any object, then you can see that these options are active now and you can assign a particular animation to the object. There are three kinds of animation in particular. I am clicking over here and you can see the first kind of animation is an in-trance animation. It will show an object in an in-trance manner that particular object is coming. Second animation is in yellow color, which is an emphasis, means the object is already there and it will be emphasized with the help of these animation effects. And the third and the last animation effects are the exit animation effects, and it will show the object going out from the particular slide. So let's say I made a selection of this particular object and I'm going for this fly in option. So here it is. Similar to transition effects, in one particular animation effects there are many other options. So in order to explore that, you need to click over here, effect options. So right now you have seen that it is coming from the bottom. You can go for this from the left, so like this. Also similar to transition effect, you can change the speed of it also. Here you can see the duration is 0.50. if you are going to increase the duration, it will be much slow. We can see it in the preview like this. Okay, so I am selecting this particular object and I want to show it with the help of emphasis, any one of this. So I am going for this spin option. So this is how it's going to work. And here this particular text, I want to show it in an exit animation effect. So I want to show it in a bounce manner. Okay, so you can see that. So I'm going to run this. So you can see this is how you can give an animation effect. Now apart from this, you can see the moment one animation effect is selected, you can see there are many other options like bounce, lines, arcs, there we go, turns, shapes. Okay, in one particular object you can assign many animation effects. Let's say I have selected this one and I want to give animation effect which is, let's say, grow and shrink. Okay, so this is the fourth animation. You can see so this is the third animation, which is grow and shrink. And once it is grow and shrink, I want to show it in an exit manner also. So in a single object, if I want to give two animation, the first animation I have given already, and in order to give the second animation, I need to go on add animation. So in an add animation, I am going for this, let's say, float out. That's it. So you can see 3 and 4. You can change the order also. Let's say I have selected 3 and I am going here and I'm going for, let's say, move later or move earlier. So you can change the order also of it. Let's say this is the second number of animation, so I'm going for move later, so it has become 3, but I don't want to do that. Okay, so I'm going to run this. Third and fourth animation like this. Also, an animation can be triggered with the help of other things also, rather than you are doing it. Let's say this is another text box and I am providing the animation effect to this, is that let's say bold flash. Okay, it's not going to make much impact, even though we can see the preview. Third one, fourth one, and there we go. However, this one is in the fifth. However, I don't want this to run automatically. I want this to run only when someone has clicked on MS Office. So what I'm going to do, I've selected this fifth one and I'm going for trigger. On click of, there are options like title 3, subtitle. So MS Office is definitely the title 3, so I've selected this one. Here you can see the triggered option. So by default it's not going to run. Let's say I'm going to run this. So this is the first one, second one, third one, fourth one, and it has not run because it is based on triggered options. So what I'm going to do, again I'm going to run this. So first one, and I'm clicking over here, and you can see here it has been triggered. So this is how this trigger option works, and this is all about animation effects. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.